Welcome, in front of me is a BLACKVIEW A80s, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's navigate into our settings, and from here you want to select storage, then tap on your SD card. Next, click on the three dots and select storage settings, format. This will present you with the information that formatting your card will result in all the data that is being stored on it being deleted. So if you have anything there that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it to something, for instance, like your computer. Now I don't have anything here, so I'm just going to select format SD card. This will then jump into formatting it. It does disappear, it kind of like ejects it, but it should come back. If I go back, storage, there we go, it's already done. Typically you would have this kind of page that just kind of showed and disappeared, visible, and you can select the done, which kind of closed off right here. But in any case, this process is fully automatic, so even if it closes up, you don't need to worry about it. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.